another banger, and today I'm going to be making slime. So the ingredients you'll need is Elmer's glue, chunky glitter, table salt, and water. And of course you'll need a bowl. Let's get right into this video. So guys, I'm mixing in my glitter with my glue, and now I'm going to add my salt. Now I'm just going to start mixing, kind of getting my salt in there a little bit, guys. Okay. Now I'm going to get that texture in. Guys, this is a really beautiful color, and it's just satisfying to watch. So, okay, I'm done mixing. So guys, I'm going to add my water in, and then I'm going to stir it up and add it, and put it in the microwave for 1 minute. Guys, it is really thick. It's coming together really good. Now guys, I'm done mixing. So now I'm going to put it in the microwave for 1 minute. So let's go. So guys, this is the final results of my slime. I don't really like the texture that much, but I love the color. But also don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Bye.
Towards it, painting pictures of past.